I the wrong man, you're ram proud. We know you're fucked down. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now.
People, I the one and only Bird B back in the building, and today we have to discuss this war that is on, the war hot. Eddy G versus RajahWild and Najeeriii. Let's get into it. Najeeriii diss up Eddy G wicked in the song named Kappa Boy. We have got dissect that song in that video here today. So people, before we get into that, please do leave a like and subscribe. Now let's get into the video. Now as of lately, me hear enough people are talk about how this war start, where it originate from. But about 4 weeks ago, RajahWild dropped a song and him this Eddy G in the song. I'm going to play the clip, make you hear it, people, and tell me what you think about it.
Black cloud ice from my body when we pull up in the top snow. The electricity just a flash, so we live in life, then more Eddy G cap ball.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
We live in life, then more Eddy G cap ball.
So after taking a listen to that, it's obvious why Eddy G would take offense to that clip, because in these day and age, cappings is a serious allegation, and if you allegate the man as a capper, he might go on defend it. So here Eddy G fire back with.
Pussy I went there for me cap, but me just drop with jag out a black cloud. I me just had a 1 crown. Ice for me neck cause you 1 house. Rich like say me sell crack, you look crack out. Me probably sell you all a 1 ounce. I the wrong man, you ram proud. We know you fuck you. Take a cock out a bad mouth. That's why him can't find no song now.
Alright, right, so now I when Najeeriii get pulled into this war. So everybody wanna know how Najeeriii and Eddy G are war. Here the man say, the man tell Rajah to take him cock out a bad mouth, a big this, that, big this. And Najeeriii never make that slide because the man dropped 2 this song in a 1 day. Big Mac and Kappa Boy. Remember I'm telling the people, Najeeriii dey on a streak. Now big rapper like Bob himself, Najeeriii, dropped the true name Big Mac in response to this song, and him also dropped Kappa Boy, but we not get into Kappa Boy just as yet. Make we take a look on Big Mac. Yo friend, in here the rhythm pan now when it a start, man, you know say it a go mad.
Intro some boys said them not bad. Roll out with the 16, show some boys said them not bad. Them a chat up them out a talk about guns for them not have. We got rifles by the boatloads and the bombs come in the van. I got that how we run Portmore with them run like a track.
Yo, after hearing that, man, for wonder if Eddy G made the wrong mistake when him this Najeeriii. Make we move on to the video.
Pipe them out just like a map. Load up a clock, them want smoke, them getting popped. 6 pounds attack, them want beef it come in fries. This are no fucking Big Mac. Them a run up them out, so we spinning in black. Them a fag, cloud bag.
Yo, the hacker nah play, the man nah play. Yo, me I tell you no, he come like Eddy G make a wrong mistake when him pull Najeeriii in the work, and Najeeriii nah back down. Yeah man, and then after him drop Big Mac, it was followed up by Kappa Boy. So make we go dissect that song there right now. Remember people, me I tell you said that one day are for the history books.
Forgive this fucking idiot. No brick, no bitches. For you know not what you have tried. Man. Bro got no hits, bro got no bricks, bro got no bitches.
Bro got no bricks, bro got no hits, bro got no bitches. Bumbucklad people. When you hear how the man deliver the line them so fluently and smoothly, yeah, the man not kill up himself. The man just had this him neatly. People want to just listen to the rest of that song, you know.
Bro got no drip, bro, burn clothes, bro, still got no image. Mama say yo, I'm a friend dog, don't kill him, keep but me no partial clone, I'll clone me kill. Which husband neck, bro, son, silly fucking idiot things no one notices.
Nah, this serious now people. Najeeriii gonna kill the man. The only thing left for RajahWild do I come put the nail in the coffin. Me know where my weight pan.
Stop it, cap tag, you get pussy, so you full of batty man tag. I'll suck pussy, DNA a batty man top go. Get a take your heavy tongue out a shantas. You coulda sleep a hope your man yard. We a totally crown, go round a vampad. I can never take beat up, now we got the flame box up where you get. Eddy, first man missy hardly want pussy.
The man say Eddy, first man who hardly want pussy. At this matter about people.
Give me head, me hardly want pum pum.
I'm not gonna lie, that kind of sus. Now back to Kappa Boy.
Fuck y'all hard, them a hawks me want to. Really a wonder how boots him say word if he start to war with clocks and rifles, party, click, walk a free, stop, watch your cause you're not finished. You make a big man spoil you, sign you, mine you. Fishing up hard fishing.
So after astonishing comeback from Najeeriii, Eddy G drop a new song named Papi and Jagger in response to Najeeriii 2 songs named Big Mac and Kappa Boy. Let's get into it.
No jump change, no jump change, no jump change. Rich, big, money, beans, bitch, big, stunner, V6, big.
Alright people, so the main topic of the song here is that him is a jagger from Papi. So him a try make them know say, no matter how them a try say him a capper, him always a maintain the no cap mantra, you see me? Him a make you know say him and no capper, no day, no time. So if you don't want to listen to the full song, I advise you go over upon Theme Video and go upon Eddy G page, go give him the like, give him a view, and leave a comment down in it, whether you disagree with him or whether you agree with him. But yeah man, it better if you go over upon Theme page, go check it out. Cause this is the end of the review for today. We will keep on posted and keep on up to date. So please like, subscribe, share, and comment. You see me? Also, we want to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. So please help us get there. Bird Nation, stay sharp.